to find blocked contacts on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can find blocked contacts on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your device, and on the home page you will see 4 different icons at the bottom of the screen. Click on that Me icon at the right bottom. After clicking on it, you will reach to this page. Here, select Settings, and you will be taken to another page. Here under Privacy Settings, you will see Friends Permission option. Click on that option, and on this page at the very end you will see Blocked List. Click on the Blocked List, and there you will find the contact that you have previously blocked. So in this way you can find blocked contacts on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.